Benny the chef, here we go. In the kitchen, nice and slow. Mix it up, then watch it grow. Cooking time, let's go, go, go. Benny, Benny, what's that smell? In the kitchen, cooking well. Big red pot and shiny spoon. Stir it, not too soon. Chop, chop carrots, 1, 2, 3. Add some corn and broccoli. Flip it, pancake in the pan. Oops, it jumps, catch if you can. Oh, no, no, what a mess. Floor flying, what a stress. Egg goes slip and rolls away. Benny laughs, it's okay. Mix, mix, batter round and round. Funny splashes on the ground. Taste, taste, is it right? Yummy, yummy, what a bite. Hot, hot soup, oh, blow it slow. Careful now, don't spill it, no. Share the food with everyone. Cooking time is so much fun. Benny the chef, great job today. Cooking